The best way to find the right life coach for you is to be very specific about what it is you're looking for. There are a lot of life coaches who specialize in different things. For example, there are coaches that specialize in weight loss, in career development, spirituality, relationships. I would say be mindful about the experience and the credential of the coach that you're researching. I would say the gold standard for a life coach is somebody who would be credentialed through the International Coaching Federation. They have a very rigorous training and test that is required in order for you to become credentialed. So you can bet that if somebody has an ICF credential, that they're probably pretty well trained. I would say that's a good way to separate the wheat from the chaff, because there are a lot of life coaches that don't have any credentials. I'm sure you can find that if you just go to the ICF website. They'll have plenty of resources for you there. And then, yeah, I would say the final part is this somebody that when I meet with them, and I would say interview a few different coaches, 3 or 5, and just find somebody who feels like they're the right fit for you. One of the biggest parts of this relationship that you have with the coach is whether or not you have rapport and whether or not you feel like this is somebody that you can talk to about what's going on in your life, who is skilled and able to help you get to where you want to go.